have this one copy in either way. We also have the near in either way as well. We also have this one. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na meron sigurong cheater is also what I sense here. Okay? And with the near in either way, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na kahit na kinopyahan kayo ng mga gawa ng mga tao, hindi yun nalalapit sa original. And then with this one in either way, darating din ang panahon na mapapansin ng mga tao na may kinopyahan sila at mangyayari is hindi magtatagal yung kanilang negosyo or channel kung ano man ang endeavor nila. Kasi first of all, wala yun sa tamang landas at kinopya nila ang gawa ng ibang tao. We also have this one here. I feel na wala silang ginawa kundi mangopya ng gawa ng iba. Kaya with the charm in either way, so mawawala yung kanilang charm or yung attraction na meron sila sa mga tao kasi masisira yung pangalan nila dahil makikita ng mga tao na may kinopya silang gawa. We have the evil eye. I feel na itong mga copycats, kinopya nila yung gawa mo kasi naiinggit sila sa'yo dahil maybe you don't, you're somebody who's not like them. Okay, I feel na naiiyak sila kasi, I feel like they feel like they can't be like you or anyone that they want to. I feel like they have to acknowledge themselves. Ito yung tao na nakulangan talaga ng self-love, self-worth, okay? So we have this message in either way, and we also have the future in either way. So sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na huwag kang ma-discourage dahil may nangopya ng inyong gawa. Kasi darating din na ang panahon na mamumulat ang mata ng mga tao at makita nila kung sino yung sinungaling kasi first of all in the future, hindi kasi ang dapat nandoon yung copycat. Okay? I'm sensing anger energy here. So, siguro nagalit nga kayo dahil kinopyahan kayo. But that God is wanting you to know not to give up hope kung naman yung endeavor mo. Kasi kahit nakopyahin nila yung gawa mo, it will never be the original. Okay? Masira lang yung pangalan nila pag kumokopya sila. Yun ang dapat mo matandaan. And sooner or later, I feel like you will figure out something. Okay? Baka kasi matagal na kayo naghahanap ng hustisya. Kasi matagal na ito nangyari. So, in the future, you will receive your justice. Okay? And I'm sensing as well na, focusan talaga kayo sa work. Huwag niyo muna pansinin si copycat. Let God do the trick about it. Kasi napansin mo naman dito sa reading, God is definitely making people see beyond the illusions. Okay? And that's it, guys. And God bless all of you.